Hi, virtual learners. This is Mrs. Matizak, and you have signed up for virtual English 11 honors. And I don't need you to join a Google Meet today on the first day, but I am going to kind of take you through the process that I need you to go through each day. Some days you'll be going live, some days you might just be watching videos, et cetera, et cetera. So I just kind of want to show you what I'm going to be showing the kids in class and give you your first assignment, fun. Okay, so I'm going to try this. I'm going to minimize. There we go. And I think you'll still see me. And here we have our dashboard, right? So if you click on English 11 Honors, you're going to see the first two modules will say Virtual Back to School, and the second module says Introductory Materials and the Book of Awesome. Okay, so what you're going to need to do is go through the Virtual Back to School materials first, and your parents as well, and fill out that parent contact information. Okay, and then hopefully you're doing that tonight, right now, right? And then under Introductory Materials and Book of Awesome, you're going to click on tomorrow's date, or in your case, today's date. And you're going to see how I lay out my agenda. So student objective, what the bell ringer is, and then left side is going to be in-class agenda, and right side is going to be your virtual agenda, okay? And I'm going to hyperlink it as much as I can. So the very first thing on tomorrow's virtual agenda will be, to watch this video. So hopefully you're doing that, okay? The second bullet will be the link to join the Google Meet. And you don't have to do that tomorrow, but let's try it for Thursday. 11 Honors starts at 9:35, so you can check in, and we'll kind of do a practice run tomorrow and see how that goes. When you're finished, or the next bullet is to review the English 11 brochure, the same brochure that's under the virtual back to school. And that's what I'm going to go over in class tomorrow, probably, in detail. So if you have any questions, make sure you get them to me. I'll talk later about how to get a hold of me, okay? Then I want you to submit the student contract form, okay? And it's the same one under the virtual. So if you've already done it, you don't need to do it again. Oh, here it is. And this is really important because of this bottom section here. This is where you can, communicate with me about concerns, questions, comments. And I would also really appreciate it if your parents would fill that out as well and review all the virtual back to school materials so that I have the most up-to-date information and I can answer all their questions, etc. Okay, and then the last thing I need you to do is going to be your first homework assignment, fun. Click on letter of introduction, and the directions are right here for you, and you'll upload it from your Google Docs, and ideally you'll turn that in on Thursday. So if we go back to the agenda, communicating with me, you can email me at Matizak right there at knoxk12.in.us, or you can message me right here on the inbox. Either way, I'll get back to you as soon as I can, okay? And lastly, I just want to show you real quickly, this is how I will be organizing the modules. I always go by dates. So the most recent date's at the bottom of the module, the furthest away date is going to be at the top, and I just work, down chronologically. I'll leave all the links and things open and published, so there should be no issues. But like I said, if there are, or you're struggling to find something, or you can't figure out how I've organized it, please email me or inbox message me, and I will answer your questions as soon as I can. Good luck tomorrow with the rest of your classes, and I look forward to reading your letter of introduction. See you Thursday.